Imagine a world so connected that it has no barriers. That world is happening, and thanks to Nippon Gas's Offshore, it is in your hands today. Whether you are a company on land or on the high seas, we supply you with diving, welding, industrial cylinder gases, and speciality gases. Unlimited. Because we are the leading company in the North Sea, part of a group with more than 100 years of experience. This allows us to meet your individual needs 24 hours, both through our headquarters in Aberdeen, Scotland, and through our global network present in 13 countries in Europe. And since our number one priority is health and safety, we also maintain, inspect, and test all our cylinders and quads on site with some of the most innovative systems worldwide, such as the ultrasonic cylinder test, UE5. The sea is not a limit for your company thanks to the Nippon Gas's offshore tanks. We provide you with all ranges of chemicals and offshore acid tanks for the oil and gas industry, including chemicals such as monoethylene glycol. Because when we say no barriers, we mean no barriers. Nippon Gases. Change the world with us.